Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? And good morning students. So today we'll go with our chapter number 7. So I hope you are revising the previous chapters. We have yet completed 6 chapters. So everyone should revise that chapter. So we'll go on with our chapter number 7, that is food and nutrition. Okay. So what you eat, that is called your food. You know that thing. You are a grown up kid. So you know that thing that what you eat, that is your food. You eat chapati, you eat rice, you eat dal, you eat chicken, you eat mutton. Everything comes under your food. Okay. So that is your food, and we how many times in a day we eat? We eat 3 times in a day. We eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. So that is called our meal of the day. Okay, that is our meal of the day. So these food items, what they will provide us? They will provide us with nutrition. It gives us energy so that we will become healthy enough. Okay, so food gives us nutrition, and food is also called as meal. We eat, that is our meal. Okay, so now next heading is staple food. You know what is staple food? Students, you eat rice, chapati, bakri, dal. So these all items your mother, your grandmother, your sister, your aunt, everyone prepare at your home, right? So those are the part of our meal, and so we eat this thing more daily. We eat rice or we eat chapati. So rice, wheat, jowar, these are our staple food. Okay, there are our staple food. जो खाना हम रोज खाते हैं, दाल दाल चावल चपाती, ये सब रोटी खाते हैं, उनका जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट होता है, जैसे दाल का इज द दाल, राइस मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है, लाइक इडली का मेन इंग्रेडिएंट राइस है, देन कम्स चपाती का मेन इंग्रेडिएंट व्हीट है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, ये सब सामान जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है उसको स्टेपल फूड बोलते हैं. ओके, so this is important to consume, so we will get nutrition, we will get energy. So later on what happens, these all things will give us energy. Now we have variety of food stuff. Okay, so you have many variety. You someday you will eat dal, someday you will eat pulao, someday you will eat biryani, someday you will eat etc. fish, chicken, etc. things. So these are our food material. So open your textbook, page number 43. On that you have a chart of food items. So you should answer this question in your textbook. Okay students, you have to answer this in your textbook. And the questions here are, which food does give us flour, आटा कौन सा फूड आइटम देता है, फिर बटर कैसे मिलता है, घी कैसे मिलता है. सो दोस थिंग्स शुड बी लिस्टेड ओवर हियर फ्रॉम द पिक्चर्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट, how do we get butter? We get butter from milk. So that is necessary for our body to consume. Butter is necessary, ghee is necessary, then we have curd is necessary. So these all things come from this thing, milk. So you know what all items will taste sour, खट्टा. कौन सा आइटम्स खट्टा टेस्ट करेंगे? या लेमन, टर्मरिन, देन कम्स मैंगो, कच्चे मैंगो आते हैं वो भी खट्टा टेस्ट करते हैं. So those are the items which will taste sour. Then there is a question, what all items will taste sweet in taste? You will eat candies, right? So that is not our food items. We'll eat gajar ka halwa. So what you add in gajar ka halwa to make it sweet? You will add sugar, right? Or jaggery, गुड़ बोलते हैं उसको, jaggery को. So you will eat jaggery, or sometimes you will even eat sugar cane, if anyone gets sugar cane. Jaggery and sugar comes from sugar cane. Okay students, then name one thing which is bitter in taste. कड़वा होता है. Anyone? Yes, करेला. Okay, bitter gourd, we call it as bitter gourd. Now what happens, the food constituents that meet different needs of our body are present in our foodstuffs in varying quantities. Okay, we'll eat rice, but we'll eat little rice or we'll eat enough rice. We will eat enough rice, right? So our stomach is filled, we'll get energy later until we eat next food. Okay, some food constituent give us energy, and some constituent help our body to grow. Some constituent help nourish our body, gives us nourishment. And some food items, what happens if you consume them, it will help our body to fight against disease. Like now it is pandemic time, corona time, so people will ask you to eat lemon juice, citric acid things, और खट्टी चीजें खाने बोलेंगे, so that you will have immunity. Your immunity system will work better. So you should eat a balanced diet. Okay. Some people even say that expensive things are fully nourished, can nourish our body, and cheap things will not give that much nourishment. That is a wrong concept. Okay. So what happens? For example, apples are grown in Kashmir, so there it is cheap, and when it is brought in Maharashtra, it is expensive. But apple will give nourishment, right? So that is a misconcept. That is a wrong concept. You should not follow that expensive things are good to eat and cheap things are not good to eat. Okay. Then I told you about taste, right? Sour taste, sweet taste, bitter and salty. From where you will get salty taste? From salt. Sweet from many things like sugar, jaggery. Sour from lemon, tamarind, raw mango. And bitter from bitter gourd. Then many more things, that is bitter. कड़वी होती है taste में, from that we will get bitter taste. Now I will complete the chapter in next video. Thank you.